Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to carry on where we left off the other day. Once again, we're going to be using a pre-wash from Topaz. Now, one interesting thing is the last time I've used it, it was with using the Hydroshot. So today I'm going to actually use the Karcher. This is what we're going to be using. It's a Topaz product, and that is the pre-wash. Now I'm going to tell you now, it's a nasty price if you're buying this at full market price. It is going to set you back nearly 45 quid. It's a lot of money in it, folks. Believe me, it is. And all we need to do is mix this up 8 parts to 1, and it is that simple. Most of these pre-washes are very much the same. There ain't much in it, but some are better than others in price. Gotta say it like that. So what we're going to do is, because like the other day we cleaned it all off, and now I'm back to square one again. So once again I've got to go round the van and do all the side again because it's all grubby. Right, so we'll just get straight down to it. Just spray it all over the bottom. Remember, it's important to do the bottom part more so than up. Okay, just spray it on. Wheels as well. Now remember, it's important not to do this in the warm weather. But if you are doing it in warm weather, especially like me today, the temperature of this van, I'm going to say, she's all right. She's fine. But if it's any hotter, don't even go there. But that's fine, because you don't want this stuff to dry on it. Leave it for around about 5 minutes.
And now,
basically whack it off. And hopefully this will come off better. Now with the other day, using the Works Hydroshot, it wasn't 100%. Now today we're using obviously that K7, and that has got a good bit of pressure on it. So let's have a look at the van. Once again, that ain't bad. Now remember, this has got a better pressure on it. Look, not much dirt on that today. There is some on there, don't get me wrong, but not as much. But then that's the difference with the pressure washer, isn't it? Same long here. It's got a lot of it off. Really pleased with that. Now, I'm only going to do this side. Now, you can see what we've got here. It's starting to dry off. Now, this is basically because obviously you've got heat. And it's just left that film on it. You can see that, can't you? See, that film? You get this with anything. Okay, well, that's not too bad. We will have to get some tar stuff on it at this one stage. Lots of tar on it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put some foam down. Now I'm going to be using, once again, the pressure washer before I show you the Works Hydroshot Topaz. And believe me, that is pricey.